Hello and welcome back. So, new episode. Today we are going to be doing 122 and 123, and that is going to include an exercise of making a keyless car and JavaScript on our web page. So it should be fun. First of all, we have this exercise which I've already downloaded, which should be there we go, there it is. So basically this is just, what we're going to be needing to do, and I guess, yeah, there we go. So let's go and I'll see you in a bit. Oh, that took a second, but we got it in the end. So, some places where I have struggled a bit. First of all, it was the fact that I didn't put, one free equal signs. I only put one, and then the second part was with me trying to use else for the last one. And because it's done here, so I thought maybe because here they were able to do it, but for some reason, and unfortunately at the very moment I do not know why, but it wasn't liking if I just put else and then everything else, because it came up with an error. So I'm not certain why. If you have an answer, you can always leave a comment. And I mean, eventually I will definitely find out, but for now I've done it like this and it works, so that's what really matters, that I could make it work. So that's fantastic. So that means that the first part is complete, so the exercise 4 is done, and now we can look at possibly adding JavaScript onto our web page, or just exploring what sort of JavaScripts we might already have. I'm not sure, but anyway, let's have a look at that, and I'll be with you in a second. Okay, welcome back. So that was a bit of a quicker one. Basically, what have we done? Well, this was our first attempt or first go at putting JavaScript into our actual websites. So first of all, we have created a completely new index.html, and then we have created a script.js as a JavaScript. They're both here, and as you can see, we just made a quick, HTML type of thing, with the title, and then we put a JavaScript in HTML as a title, and then we put the script. So with CSS, you have like source. Here you have, or not source, you have what is it, link, and here you have script, and in that you have the source. So basically, with script, you access the JavaScript that you got, and it's basically type, and then we have text JavaScript, and then source, and then we have our source, which is in the same file, so we don't have to put anything else. But this also allows us, so for instance, if we just had one of these right over here, and we took all this out, right? Yeah, we could we could put, for instance, an alert in, like alert, and say yo, and if I do that, I meant to save, and I refresh here, and come up with your smart, which is something else, but basically it would come up with you, which means you can actually do JavaScripts in HTML, just like you can do with CSS as well, through the link. Yes, link tag. So here is what we have done. So we said that 4 plus 3, and if 4 plus 3 equals 7, alert us that you're smart. So when we load the website, because 4 plus 3 is equal to 7, we are smart, which is amazing. And basically that's one part, with an if statement, and there's also this console.log and hello, which is not popping up because it's actually popping up in our developer tools console, and we get hello. So if we change this to some more rows, save that, nope, and then refresh, smart, yo, and then we have hello. So basically this is apparently going to be quite useful to us at later dates. So this was it. So we have done our little car, and we have done a bit of JavaScript in HTML. So that was fun. I'll leave it for that for this episode, but I'll plan on making another video today, so that should be fun. Stay tuned and whatnot. If you liked, subscribe, whatnot, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.